Tremco Glazing Restoration. Does your building look like this? Do you have buckets out to catch water from your leaking skylight? Do your skylights have intersection damage? Do your windows have streaking? Are your facades leaking around the windows? Are your gaskets cracked or shrinking? Zipper gaskets will degrade like this over time. Or like this. Have you attempted prior remediation? Solutions do exist to stop the damage for both facades and skylights. For more information, contact your local Tremco Sales Representative and check out this success story.